We have something called as rectilinear propagation. What is rectilinear propagation? When a light is going to travel in straight line, the propagation of light is called as rectilinear. Rectilinear na straight up poitirukku artham. Okay va? Right? So that is what is rectilinear propagation. And when the light is going to be like this, we call this as rectilinear propagation. Only one light is going to travel in this direction, we call them as ray. Okay va? When you have multiple rays or a bunch of rays traveling in rectilinear propagation, then we call this as beam of light. Is that clear? When you have only one single line, light passing through, then we call them as ray. When you have bunch of lights or bunch of rays, we call them as beam of light. Is that clear? Right? So far, any doubts? Okay. See this now. Imagine if I don't have a mirror here, what would have been the direction of light? So it would have traveled like this. Yes, it would have traveled like this. But because of a mirror, the light has deviated. How much it would have deviated? இப்போ light straight line la போயிருந்துச்சுனா அதோட angle என்ன? 180 degrees. அப்போ இது வந்து 180 degrees இருந்திருக்குமா? கரெக்ட்டா? இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? இது straight ஆ போகும்போது it would have been 180 degrees. Correct? But actually what has happened is it has deviated this much. Yes. So this is going to be the angle of deviation, delta. We call them as angle of deviation. Okay, what will be the angle of deviation? Simple. See here, can I take I plus R plus delta as 180? Amava illaya? Yes. And in this case, you know, I is equal to R because of reflection. I is equal to R. So can I take this as 2I plus delta is equal to 180? But delta என்னவா இருக்கும்? 180 degrees minus 2I. Yes. So அப்போ உங்களுக்கு angle of incidence கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு தூரம் அது deviate ஆயிருக்கும் if it is a plane mirror அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா you can use this formula. Yes or no? Yes. அப்போ 180 degrees minus 2I is going to be the angle of deviation. அப்போ ஒரு light ray எவ்வளவு தூரம் அந்த mirrorல பட்டு deviate ஆயிருக்கு அப்படி நான் பார்க்கணும்னா I can go with this formula. What is the formula? 180 minus 2I. Is that clear? Right? Yes. So this is nothing but angle of deviation.